Oh, so we're out here. This is the university's drone testing field down at the south end of Reno. And I brought out my class, which is a class of 6 different universities where we're all teaching our graduate students different modules. And my module is on using drones or unmanned aircraft for remote sensing in hydrology and environmental science.
For the month of November, my Advanced Imaging Spectroscopy Remote Sensing class is actually joint with Scott's National Virtual University class, and so we're actually working with aircraft data or satellite data, but have not been so much closer to the ground with the drone system, so they actually get to see the different tools and pictures that are taken closer to the ground.
And they're all getting to fly drones over there as we speak.
Exactly, and that's having a great time and having a lot of fun outside on a nice afternoon in November, the Wednesday before Thanksgiving.
Yeah.